I started seeing that Turkey was just one of the better places to do hair transplants in general. Hello, my name is Alen. I'm from the USA. I'm 24 years old, and I started noticing hair loss at around the age of 20. I first started seeing it in pictures and when I'd go swimming, playing sports, my hair flowing back. So I started doing a little more research about it, and I started to first just see kind of supplements to take. And then after I was taking supplements and they weren't doing too much, I started looking into the surgical aspect of it. I started doing my research, but back home the cost was a big price. I believe I got a consultation. It was going to cost me about 7,000 US dollars for about, I think it was 1,200 grafts. But then I started doing more research here in Turkey and online, and I was able to do 3,800 grafts here at Vera Clinic for about half the price of back home. I started seeing that Turkey was just one of the better places to do hair transplants in general. The staff was super great, the doctors were amazing, everything was explained to me super thoroughly. The whole surgical aspect went really well. We were able to get it all done, I think in a shorter time than was previously mentioned. They gave me lunch, they took super good care of me, explained the whole process from start to finish, and they even gave me all the great follow-up instructions. They gave me transportation from the airport to hotels, back to the clinic. Overall, I think it was a great experience, and I would definitely recommend Vera Clinic to anyone who's suffering from hair loss.